This is how to create a very unique intro that isn't only fun, but it's so cute. First, we're going to start in Procreate. Okay, so how this works, there's going to be different slides that are called frames. Each frame has a different drawing, which creates that animation throughout the video. The key to making this easier is just duplicating that main drawing. Because the animation is so simple is the reason that it allows us to just duplicate the frames and get away with it. I'm gonna walk you through how to get to this part of Procreate if you've never done this before. Okay, so this is my Procreate. I'm gonna go in and create a new canvas. Since I want the video for YouTube, I'm gonna create it in 1280 by 720. Once I have my canvas ready, I'm going to go up here to the settings and then I'm going to click on animation assist. I'm going to turn that on and then we're going to get this section right down here. This is what's going to allow you to see the frames that you're going to edit. So I'm going to show you in real time what I did basically. First, let's create a background. Okay, so I created this background. This is going to stay the same throughout all of my frames that I'm going to create. Now I'm going to start adding what is going to be the main drawing in the middle. Okay, this is going to be my drawing. They look a little bit creepy, but we're going to go ahead with this. Now that we have the main frame that we're going to keep duplicating and then editing. So what are we going to do? We're going to click right up here, slide it, and then duplicate. Before we decide to edit, we're going to duplicate 10 of these, because that is how many frames I want to create. The amount of frames you add is going to determine how long your animation will be. So if we add 10, it's not going to be as long as if we add 20. Now, when we go through, it's going to stay the same because we haven't altered anything. But we're going to go to the second frame. Delete the eyes. Then I'm going to draw what I want the next frame to be. So the next frame, I want them to have their eyes closed. So we go from this to this. And then for my next clip, I want them to look this way. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to edit the eyes. And then I'm going to redraw them so it looks like they're looking to the side. So then I'm going to do that throughout all my frames and then I'll be back. Okay, so I finished creating all of the frames. So this is how it looks like, right? Once I hit play, it's gonna look like it's tweaking out, but I promise you it's not. It goes by so fast. The way to fix this, you're gonna pause it, click settings, frames per second. What does this mean? It's how many frames there's gonna be in a second. So 15 frames per second is very, very fast.